I decided to make a little store on Depop. So it's laundry day today. 1 year since I had COVID.
What the Finch?
All right, time for some breakfast. My mom always makes this for me at home, and so when I got back to LA, I was like, I want to do that. Basically, I take a gluten-free everything bagel from Trader Joe's, put some avocado on it, some sliced tomato with salt, and then some fresh basil leaves. So good. All right, false alarm because my avocados aren't ripe. It took me so long to figure out how to like perfectly buy a lot of avocados but not have them all ripen at the same time. So I buy a bunch, I put them all in the fridge, and then basically like one day before I'm gonna wanna eat it, I put one from the fridge into like my cabinet, and then it's perfectly ripe. I eat that one, and then I put the next one there. So basically the ones in the fridge last forever. So like this one's not even ripe yet. So I'm gonna put this one in my cabinet, but I'm not feeling my waffles and peanut butter today. I'm feeling more savory. So I need to figure out what to do. Kind of weird, the concept of just like putting a leaf on food. In my new house, I'm definitely gonna figure out a better tripod situation for like mornings with me, you know? This looks so good, you guys. Whoa. See, I don't always have the motivation to do this in the morning. Like, I need simple breakfast, and this takes time. All right, it is a couple hours later. I went to a laser hair removal appointment, and then now I'm just back home. Was doing a lot of work this morning, so it's like almost 2 o'clock, and I'm super hungry. I don't really know what to eat. I think I might order something, but I'm like not in the mood for anything. I kind of want a smoothie, but I know that I need like protein, but I'm like not hungry, but at the same time my stomach is rumbling, so I am hungry. I don't know, but I'm gonna try to figure out what food to eat and order some food. Then later tonight I'm working out. I love that I told you the news. Excuse me, sir, on the motorcycle. I love that I told you guys the news about the moving situation, because I'm just so excited to be showing you guys kind of the process of that. And you know, every day I feel like I do something, like whether it's just like looking at apartments online or like looking at furniture, getting inspiration, being on Pinterest, whatever it is, I feel like I can't stop. So yeah, I'm super excited to continue that. What was I gonna say? I don't remember, but I will come back when I do.
Information, an email or a letter.
Email is fine.
Now you're getting a new card with a new card number. The old account number will be closed.
Okay.
So mark those charges as fraud. You will be receiving a new card.
Yo, I don't know what is up, but this is literally the 4th time that my credit card has had fraud. Like, I have my credit card right here with me, and it's the 4th time that I've just like gone on and seen charges that are not mine. Luckily, they take care of it and they send me a new one, but it's a pain in the butt getting sent new ones and having to like change everything every time. But I'm just happy that I caught it. I used to just like not even look at my bill, and now I do. So let that be a lesson. Always look at your bill. Or an easier way to do it instead of like checking your statement every time is just turn on the alerts, like the mobile alerts or the emails, that every time you use your card, it'll just show you an alert. That way, like if something pops up and you're like, I didn't just use it. That's how I found out. I was like, I didn't just buy something. Anyway, it's a pain in the butt. I just ordered some Jamba Juice. Let's see what I got. I forgot already. I was too lazy to go there in person, but I had this last night. It was so good. Peach Perfection. Oh yeah, I got a giant one this time. But in order to get free, no, they gave me the wrong one. Whatever, got some chips. Cause in order to get free delivery, they're like, oh, you need to add like more things to your cart. And so it's funny, I add more things to my cart and then the total actually goes down. So whatever, I was like, okay, that is fine, I guess. It's laundry day today. Thursday is my laundry day. So I'm gonna sort my laundry and go do that. Nothing too crazy exciting right now, but it's cool. This feels like deja vu because I literally feel like I just sorted my laundry on a vlog, but it's been like 2 weeks since I've done it. So cue the laundry sorting montage. here are my piles. I accidentally let it go a little too long, so we've got 4 loads to do. I might combine these two for, you know, efficiency. All right, first load of laundry is in. I think I've showed you guys this before, and I know that I definitely have shown this in main channel videos, but I literally have an entire tote full of iPhone cases. If you don't follow my main channel, I'm obsessed with iPhones, and I do like post a lot of videos about them and about my case collection, but I just got a new phone, so I'm needing to go through this and basically get rid of a lot of them, but a lot of them are very good and high quality and brand new. So I decided to make a little store on Depop. I've been seeing people sell stuff over there, and I guess I had a profile already. I deleted all the old stuff, but I'm gonna go through these and see if there's anything worth selling, and if there are, I'll let you guys know so you can be the first to go look. I'm obviously gonna sell them at very inexpensive prices, so let's look. Until I get a better like tripod camera situation, this is my angle that we're working with. Okay, so I just got a bunch of brand new cases for my new phone, so obviously these are not ones I'm selling, but these are super cute and I'm pretty happy with these, so I'm keeping those. I have a lot of cases that are really cute, but they're a little bit scratched up, and I'm like, would someone even want this? Like, I loved this case. It has a little bit of like just some scratches on it, but I still think it's really cute and it's very durable still, so maybe I'll like put some of the... Cool. Maybe I'll put some of these together. Did I keep my old phone? I guess I do have my old phone. So maybe I should keep a couple in case it breaks. But yes, this is for my old phone. Here is one for my new phone. Here's a brand new one for my old phone that I literally never opened. So if anybody has this phone still, maybe I'll just throw this one in with this. That's a good idea. Okay. These 2 cases I hydro dipped myself, so I think I'm just gonna throw these away. But I have like literally so many amazing ones. This one is pretty scratched up and gross, so I don't know that anybody would want that one. Maybe donate. Yeah. This one is super new though. I'll sell this one. This one's cute, but it's like not durable. This one is one of my faves. Again, very sad that I can't use it anymore. This is for the iPhone 12. It's just very thin. I don't know. It's like tiny. I feel like maybe I'll just donate that. Sell. Sell. This one's pretty crapped up, honestly. Sell. Never got enough use out of this one. Never even used this one. Or this one. I'm gonna go through these off camera because this is gonna take 10 years, and then I will show you which ones I'm selling and leave a link for you in the description. I forgot to mention, these are for the iPhone XS Max. Yeah, that was my old phone, the XS Max, XS Max. Okay. What is up, you guys? It is the next day. I'm considering getting a new camera because I feel like this one is like so up close and I want it to be like a wider lens. So I may get a new camera TBD. But anyway, yes, it is Friday. It's almost the weekend, or basically it is the weekend. In about 30 minutes, it's the weekend because I'm gonna start my weekend festivities. I finished my well, I didn't finish my laundry, but I'm almost done putting it all away and folding it. And I was looking at the calendar and I realized that it is literally exactly 1 year since I had COVID, which is crazy. I can't believe a year has already gone by. It feels like yesterday that all of this was going down. It's weird. It's one of those phenomenons where it feels like yesterday, but it also feels like so long ago at the same time. Like, I feel like in those moments, time was going by so slow. But then like now that I'm like, wow, it's been a year, it makes me feel like it was just yesterday. So it's very strange. You guys saw my vlogs from when I had COVID, and if you haven't, they are on this channel, so you can find them. I really was vlogging before I even realized I had it. I started feeling symptoms, and you know, I vlogged me getting tested and all those things, and I've done a couple videos like post-COVID of like how I felt, what my symptoms were, and you know, any long-term effects. So, you know, I'm sitting here now having been a year post-COVID, and I think so far, I think I'm okay. A lot closer to when I had COVID. I felt a lot more after effects. Like sometimes I just felt like I had like COVID brain, like I'd feel a little bit foggy or just forget words. Like I know that can be normal, but for me at the time, it really didn't feel normal. It was like there were times when I just like could not formulate a sentence like at all. Like I knew what I was trying to say and it wouldn't come out. And it honestly was a little bit scary. Other than that though, nothing really has stuck with me. I do have vocal cord damage that they say there's no way it's from COVID, but I don't know. There's a part of me that's like not fully convinced because I've always talked this much and I've always talked the way that I've talked in my life, and I yell and I'm loud, and I feel like I just never had an issue until probably 6 months ago. So who knows if that's part of it or not. I'm not sure, but I'm just so lucky that, you know, I went through through what I did and I'm okay. And I am vaccinated now, which is awesome. And I really encourage anybody who's watching this to get vaccinated if you haven't already. I just read a lot of, you know, an article about this office in Miami where like COVID ran through it and everybody pretty much got it except for the people that were vaccinated, and a couple of people died, and it's just really sad. And I just hope that everybody goes and gets vaccinated. But you know, that's all I'm gonna say about that. So 1 year post having coronavirus, doing fine. You know, if you guys have any other questions about kind of what I went through when I went through it, let me know, but I think the other videos pretty much cover it. So I think that's going to wrap up this vlog. I'm really excited for everything to come. Thank you guys for being here and subscribing and commenting. Your support means the world to me, and I'm really excited to show you guys my new place once I find it. I'm definitely gonna vlog the apartment hunting process, so can't wait for that, and I will see you guys later. Love you so much. Bye-bye.